Okay, so suppose we are to evaluate the integral of dx over 4x squared plus 9. So we know that this integral can be evaluated directly using the formula. So if you remember the formula, so recall the integral of du over a squared plus u squared is equal to 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. So, diba, this integral follows this form wherein a squared is equal to 9 such that a is equal to 3 and u squared is equal to 4x squared so that u is equal to 2x and du equals 2 dx. So if we solve this integral using the formula here, so the integral of dx over 4x squared plus 9 is equal to the integral of, let me just put 2 dx in the numerator, and then in the denominator, we're going to write this as 2x quantity squared plus 3 squared. So this is now in the form of a squared, okay, and plus u squared since our u is 2x. And so because we put 2 here, in our original given there's no 2 here, so because we put 2 here, para ma-replace na itong du, we're going to put 1/2 outside. Ba? So that 1/2 times 2 is just equal to 1. So it's just like we multiplied 1. So why did we put 2 here? Because of 2 dx here. Okay, so substituting now, this is 1/2. Integral of, what is 2 dx equal to? That's du. Okay, over what is 2x equal to? That's u. So u squared plus 3 squared. So this is now equal to 1/2 times 1 over a. So that's 1/3. And then arc tangent of u over 3 plus c. Or that is equal to 1 over 6 arc tangent of what is u? 2x over 3 plus c. So that is using the formula. Now what if you forgot the formula? So we can use trigosub. Okay? If we are to use trigosub, trigonometric substitution here, integral of dx over 4x squared plus 9. So you forgot the formula, but you see here that there is a pattern. No, 4x squared plus 9. So ni-follow siya sa u squared plus a squared. So still, a squared is 9 and a is equal to 3. U squared is equal to 4x squared. So u is equal to 2x. Dili na ka mag du. Okay? So let's just write that here. Sa ubos, a squared is equal to 9. So a is equal to 3. And so u squared is equal to 4x squared. So that u is equal to 2x. Because nakakita ka nga ni-follow siya sa a squared plus u squared, you recall, unsay pattern na to. We let u equals a tangent theta. So we let 2x equals a. Okay, let me just write the pattern first. We let u equals a tangent of theta. So what is u equal to? It's 2x. And what is a equal to? That's 3 tangent theta. So that is now the relationship between the old variable x and the new variable theta. So we find the differential. 2 dx equals 3. What is the integral of tangent? secant squared theta d theta. Alright? So, we have 2 dx gihapon here. So, we're gonna put 2 here. So, this is now equal to the integral of 2 dx over, this is 2x quantity squared plus 3 squared. And then we put 1/2 outside. Why do we put 1/2 outside? Because we placed 2 here. Why did we put 2 here? Because naatay 2 dire. We want to form this 2 dx. So 1/2 times 2 is just like multiplying 1 to our given integral. Okay, so this is now 1/2. Okay, that's now 1/2. Integral of what is 2 dx equal to? 3 secant squared theta d theta over what is 2x squared equal to? What is 2x? It's 3 tangent theta quantity squared plus 3 squared. So we can put 3 outside. So mahimo na siyang 3/2 integral. So this 3 we're going to put outside. So mahimong 3/2. So secant squared theta d theta over 3 squared tangent squared theta plus 3 squared. So the common factor here is 3 squared, so we can factor that out. So we have 3/2 integral of secant squared theta d theta over, factor out 3 squared, ang nahabilin inside is tangent squared theta plus 1. Okay. Now we have 3 and we have 3 here squared here. We can cancel out, no? 3. Isa ka 3. So, that would now be 1/2 times 1/3. Or, we can just directly cancel this out. Isa ka 3 sa ubos times 2. That's 6. Let's make that 1/6 na lang. That's 1/6 integral of secant squared theta d theta, okay, over. Now, identity. What is tangent squared theta plus 1 equal to? From the Pythagorean identities, that is equal to secant squared theta. Now, we cancel out secant squared theta. We cancel that out. Ang nahabilin, 1/6 integral of d theta. And what is the integral of d theta? That is theta plus c. Now, we were already able to integrate. But what is theta equal to? So, since sa atong gi-introduce nga variable, 2x is equal to 3 tangent theta. So, 2x over 3 is equal to tangent of theta. Therefore, the arc, or para di maglibog, we can also write that as, that is just equal to, tangent theta equals 2x over 3. And so theta, therefore, is equal to the arc tangent of 2x over 3. So that, this is now 1/6 arc tangent of 2x over 3 plus c. And so you see, our answer here using trigosub is the same when we used the formula. So, asa may masayon, it's the formula. So, this example tells us na, as I said, in the previous na discussions, na if I introduce a new method, it doesn't mean nga automatic you will use that method. So, you have to go back to the basics first. Can you use the formula? Can you use simple substitution before you proceed to using the other methods of integration?